It's a bad man thing. See.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel. You know what today is. You know what this 5 minutes of your time is. This is another quick wig show and tell. And this one is on a new unit by Outre. And if you are interested in the unit, definitely check out Blackhairspray.com. All their information will be in the description box down below. So this is in the style Adele. And this is Adele's care card. And color that she is wearing, let's see, that is the DX425. Your girl went with the DX3033, and bam, 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 here is Miss Adele. I did comb out the curls. So this is a light yaki unit, and on the inside of the unit you do get 2 combs. Oh shoot, oh snap, girl. You get 3 combs. So you get 1 comb here, 1 comb here, and then you get another comb here. Of course, you have the back comb with adjustable straps. And here is your parting space. I did pluck and tweeze just a little bit, and you guys know how I feel about them C-shaped parts. They lay just so bomb. So if you are interested in Miss Adele, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna step off channel. I'm gonna step off camera, come back, and we'll get all the tea on Miss Adele. Yes, honey. Bling in hair. Girl. So here is Miss Adele. And yes, this color is a lot to take in. Okay, it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but if you love it, do you. If you don't, there's the door. Cue the haters. Anyway, so here is Miss Adele, and wow. So here is your parting space. Great parting space on this unit. And I did plug and tweeze just a little bit. I'm not really feeling the right side part because of my baby hairs up here, but it is what it is. The texture on this unit is more of a yaki. I think I said like yaki, and this actually feels like more, it's more on the coarse side. Because of that, you are going to get tangled. She does. And it feels almost a little dry to me, but it's a beautiful, beautiful wig. I have not had any issues with shedding. And as you can see, yes, she tangled. Well, she didn't tangle. This is a big head friendly unit, so you do have a comfortable cap. I would actually pin this down because I just feel with certain movements, it feels like my part is moving. Let me go ahead and give you guys a 360. Adele came to play. She came to play and slay with you guys, and she did the damn thing. Now the only thing I wish is that it did not tangle as much. I am getting a lot of tangles at the bottom, so I really wish this would have been more of a light yaki unit instead of this very yaki texture. But other than that, she is, I think she speaks for herself. So if you guys are interested in Miss Adele, then go ahead and check out Blackhairspray.com. All their information is in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. Follow your girl on Snapchat where you get sneak peeks of any wig review I do. And anything else that you guys can think of, go ahead and drop it down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.